In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to block time on your fresha schedule. This process helps manage your appointments efficiently, ensuring you have dedicated periods for tasks outside of client bookings. So, let's dive right in. First, you'll want to access your fresha dashboard. This is your main control center where all appointments and schedules are visible. If you're new to it, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the interface. It's designed to be user-friendly, making navigation a breeze. Once you've got the lay of the land, go ahead and focus on your schedule. Find a time slot that you wish to block off. If you happen to select the wrong time, don't stress. You can always adjust it later. When you're ready, click on any time within your schedule. A pop-up menu will effortlessly appear on your screen. This is where you'll make all necessary specifics and adjustments to your blocked time. From this menu, you'll want to click on the Add Blocked Time option. Doing this kicks off the process of blocking off your chosen period. Next, you have the choice to specify the kind of block time you want to designate. Fresha offers great flexibility, letting you choose from a customer type or presets like lunch or meeting times. For today's demonstration, let's go with a custom block of time. This option is ideal for the greatest degree of personalization, perfectly suiting any unique needs you might have. At this point, you'll need to give your blocked time a title. Think about what this time represents and title it accordingly. Whether it's a focus session or admin work, making this clear will help you recognize your blocked periods at a glance down the line. After deciding on an appropriate title, it's time to adjust both the date and the time of the block. Use the options provided to set the perfect window that fits your schedule best. Whether it's an all-day event or just a quick 15-minute break, make sure your time frame reflects this accurately here. Next up, specify the team member who will be associated with this blocked time. This is especially useful if you're managing a group schedule or if roles interchange frequently. It ensures that everyone concerned is on the same page regarding availability. Now we'll look at adjusting the frequency of the blocked time. Fresha offers a robust set of options in this area. Whether you need this block to repeat every day, week, or month, this feature is perfect if you have repeated tasks or meetings. Including a description is optional but handy if you want to add specifics for future reference. It's a great way to remind yourself of the task's details or any preparation required. Finally, with everything set up just how you want it, look towards the bottom of the window and click Save. And there you have it. Your blocked time is set. With these spaces clearly reserved in your schedule, you ensure a balance of productivity and rest. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful.